Okay, Algebra Readiness, right now please take your week 00 packets and turn to page number 1. On page number 1, you've got several words that we just talked about on the previous page for vocabulary. And I want to illustrate and give you examples on how to find each one of these. The very first thing here is a range. So to find the range, you take the largest number, and then you subtract the smallest number. And that gives you the range of the data. To find the median of a data set, you need to order your numbers, so put them in order from smallest to largest. And then you need to find the number immediately in the middle. Now sometimes you're going to find two numbers immediately in the middle. If you do find two numbers immediately in the middle, you'll need to average them. And a reminder on how to average them, you need to take one number, add it to the other, and then divide that in half. For example, if I had a 10 and a 12 immediately in the middle, well, that's 22. Well, the average of 10 and 12 is 11. 22 divided by 2. So that's range and median. Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time to copy this down. Otherwise, the video will proceed. So, continuing along, we talked about range and median. Mode is the number that occurs the most. The most. So the number that you see in the list that appears the most, that's the mode. Sometimes there might be no mode. If there isn't one that occurs more than the others. So moving along, we need to talk about the mean. And mean is essentially the average. Add all the numbers up. Then divide by the total number of numbers. So if there's 10 numbers, you divide by 10. If there's 12 numbers, you divide by 12. So these are the main vocabulary you'll need to know in order to complete page number 1. So go ahead and take a moment now to complete page 1 of your week 00 packet.